welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys? I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm gonna do this makeup tutorial. Yes, finally makeup tutorial. I'm just joking guys, okay? This makeup tutorial, this makeup look I have created, and I don't know guys what title I'm gonna give this makeup look, because I'm not sure what to call this makeup look. But I think this makeup look is good for summer makeup look, because I just love the definition of matte, I just love the whole makeup, and especially my eye makeup, because it is completely matte shadows. There is no highlighter, there is no glitter, so which I love the most. Looks good because combination of these two matte colors and the simple eyebrows, this nude kind of lipsticks and the bronze and this little bit of pop of highlighter, and I just love this makeup look. Because especially in summer I love and I like to look bronze, I don't like to look always like highlighter glossy or juicy kind of in summer guys. So I thought might be you guys interested to see this kind of makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I got this matte look, then please keep on watching. And also before jumping to the video guys, just subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well to see more videos. So let's get to the video now. For the brows, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Co brow pencil, and this is affordable as well, because we are going to do like everyday kind of makeup look. So brow pencil, I'm gonna just not Instagram brows, I'm gonna do just only fill the gaps, that's it. So let's do the eyebrows now. Clean the eyebrows line, and I'm gonna take this flat brush and a concealer as usual. I'm gonna take this Kat Von D concealer. I'm not gonna clean this part, because not cleaning this upper part makes even more natural brows. So yeah, that's my trick. I think so. For the foundation, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Up to 24-Hour foundation, and I'm in the shade 220 Natural Beige. And yeah, this foundation is so good guys. If you guys haven't checked my June favorite video, I'm gonna put the link description box below. You can go and check it out. This is one of my favorite foundations, so yeah, I'm gonna use this one. If you guys don't like to wear foundation like every single day, you can just skip the foundation and you can go with the BB cream, CC cream, or concealer only. It's up to you guys, but foundation or nothing for me. Yeah, just two pumps, and I'm just gonna make sure you prime and moisturize your face very. Okay, taking the beauty blender. It's quite dirty now, but let's do this. This foundation is so wearable, like it's very lightweight, I don't want to cover this black mole, So that cover nahi bhaya. It's okay. My God, why I looks like orange? No. For the concealer, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Let's blend it. I'm gonna take a little bit more concealer here under my eyes. Before my concealer crease, I'm gonna take some loose powder. This Airspun loose powder. My God, this is so messy, but it's okay. I'm gonna take another sponge and I'm just gonna bake under my eyes. I'm gonna let the loose powder sit under my eyes, and I'm gonna do eye makeup. For the palette, I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Desert Ducks palette. It's been a while since I'm not using this palette, so let's play with this palette today. Okay, for the first transition color, I'm gonna take this color which is called Marks. It's quite dirty, but it's okay. This Marks with this blending brush from Joeva. Little bit more. This outer corner. Again a little bit more to this outer corner. Look at this here, and outer corner and crease. A little bit more to my outer corner here. So yeah, that's it. Now next, I'm gonna pick this color which is called Erin. Like here. I'm gonna create a crease to give some summer vibes. So yeah, that's it. And taking the same color from the same brush, with the same brush, this Marks, and just the final touch up here. Guys, I did my another eye off camera, and lashes, yeah, and so I'm gonna set my face with some powder which is from Studio Mac Fix, and yeah, it's summer, so it's really important to set your makeup nicely. If you have oily skin, then you know what I mean. Under my eyes also, to lighten the area. So I'm gonna take this color with this small brush, this Marks, to my lower lash line. Catrick Cosmetics mascara. So yeah guys, eyes are done. If you guys don't like to wear falsies, you can only coat your lashes with some mascara. That's it. And I don't know, now these days I just love to wear falsies because it looks so dramatic, you know, especially in summer. I'm gonna bronze my face. Today's look is like something more bronzing. I'm gonna use this butter bronzer in the shade, I don't know, bronzer nahi lehega sa. So this is so amazing bronzer. Forehead. And my jawline. I'm just gonna clean this bronzer with some loose powder. You can see the difference, by the way. It's a like Instagram trick, so I just love to do this. So now to add little bit of color to your cheeks, you can use blush. So I'm gonna use this Blissful from Tarte in the shade Blissful. Just a little bit only, you know, just a little bit. So yeah, that's it. Not too much. If you love the blush, you can add. It's up to you. It's totally your choice. I'm gonna set my foundation and makeup, and to make makeup last longer. And in summer, you have to spray setting spray. So I'm gonna use this NYX Fini Matte setting spray. This is good, by the way, and. Okay, so now for the highlighter, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Evoque Master Chrome highlighter. So it's the same product I'm using. Oh, look at this glow. Then forehead, just a little bit. So now for the lipstick, I'm gonna use this Velvet Matte Victoria's Secret. I mean, in the shade, to be honest, I don't know. There is no shade. It looks like this. This is so creamy. It looks so thick, creamy, so I need to take this tissue paper and do this Gitanjali's trick to take this and so yeah, that's it. That's all I want. And I'm gonna take this Jordana matte lipstick in the shade 38 type. This one, just here. So yeah, that's it. That's the final look, guys. And I'm in love with this look. I just love this matte kind of eye makeup and this lips, and yeah, What do you think about this look, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. You can wear this makeup every day. You can wear this makeup in holidays. You can wear this makeup like whenever you want, guys. This is your choice, okay? I don't think this is like completely everyday makeup look because we don't have that much of time to do this all process, but for me it's okay. I can wear this makeup like every day also. So I love makeup. And also what next video you want me to do, let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna do for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay happy, guys. Bye bye, see you.